In this video, I'll show you how to create amazing music using Suno AI. Whether you want to generate music with just a prompt or write your own lyrics, Suno AI makes it super simple. Stay tuned to learn both methods. Start by opening suno.com in your browser. Here, you'll find a collection of incredible music created by different users. Now, click on the sign in button at the bottom corner. Choose Continue with Google or any other method you prefer. If you'd like, you can also download the Suno AI app for Android or iOS. Once signed in, head to the Create tab, where you'll find two options. Generate a song with just a prompt. Use the custom toggle to input your own lyrics. We're going to try both methods, so stay tuned. Let's start with the prompt-based method. Suno AI will create the lyrics, tune, and everything for you based on your prompt. To get a good prompt, you can use any AI chatbot like ChatGPT, Claude, or DeepSeek. For this demo, I'm using DeepSeek. Here, I've entered a request saying, give me 3 to 4 prompts to generate the best songs using Suno AI. You can also specify a genre like rock, romantic, or pop. Copy the prompt, paste it into Suno AI. Remember, it only accepts 200 characters, and click Create. And just like that, Suno AI has generated a song titled Stars of Our Soul. You can see the verses and hear the tune. It's amazing. The voice, lyrics, and melody are spot on. Now, let's try the custom method. Go back to your chatbot and give it a prompt specifying your song type. For example, if you want romantic rock or a specific singer's vibe, let the chatbot generate suitable lyrics. Copy those lyrics, paste them into the lyrics section in Suno AI, and accept the terms. Next, define the style of music. Again, use the AI chatbot to generate a style description within 200 characters that fits your lyrics. Or use your own creativity. Scroll down, give your song a title, and hit Create. And there you have it, a fully custom song.
I see your shadow in the morning light. A whisper of you lingers in the night. Your laughter's echo, it pulls me near. But your memory I still hold dear. And every star that falls I make a wish to feel your touch, to taste your kiss.
The quality is stunning. The AI-generated song sounds so clean and professional. You can hardly tell the difference between this and a real studio production. To download your masterpiece, click on the 3 dots next to the song. Choose to download it as audio or video and save it to your device. In the Home tab, you'll find music generated by people from all over the world in different languages like Hindi, Chinese, Bangla, and more. Under the Library tab, you can view all the songs you've created. The Explore page allows you to check out unique tunes, styles, and Suno AI's V4 model features. And in the Search tab, you can discover music made by other users. That's it for this video, guys. Suno AI is an amazing tool to create music effortlessly, and the results are fantastic. Give it a try and let me know what you create. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Aura Tech for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.